What's up, Tay Squad? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do my at-home facial. This is super relaxing and I absolutely love doing this at least once a month. So the first thing I like to do is apply some lip scrub. You can pretty much find this anywhere. I personally buy mine on either Miss A's website or I get it at my local beauty supply store. And then I like to go in and just dampen up my face before I begin to put on my facial products. So to cleanse my face, I will be using the Ambi Even & Clear Foaming Cleanser. I really love this cleanser because it leaves my skin feeling so soft and clean. And what I love most about it is that it has a nice lather to it. So it always just relaxes me, and I love Ambi products. So now it is time to do my facial mask. I will be using the Aztec Indian Healing Clay. Y'all, this stuff is amazing. All you have to do is mix the powder with either water or apple cider vinegar to get a great deep mask on the skin. I personally use water and I mix it with the powder to create the paste to the consistency that I like. But other than that, I mean, this is an amazing mask and I definitely do recommend it. So after about 15 minutes, I do rinse off the mask. And then as you can see here, I am just taking the excess oil from under my nose. I love everything to be super clean, you guys. And next, I'll be using the Olay Cleanse Toner. I really do love this toner because it has witch hazel in it, and it just gives my skin this tingly feeling. So that kind of lets me know that the product is working. But I love the smell of this stuff, and it just leaves my skin feeling super, super fresh. So next up, I will be using my facial steamer. You guys, this really opens up your pores and it really helps your skin to just relax. It comes with that little mask applicator that I use to apply the mask, and I really do love this steamer. Now, all you pretty much have to do is take out the little piece here, and you just have to fill that up with water. But once you fill it up with water, you just place it back into the steamer, and then you plug the steamer in. Y'all, this self-care routine is everything. Now I'm going in with my facial serum. This is by Palmer's, and I really love it. It has vitamin E oil, so it always leaves my skin feeling super moisturized and hydrated. And what I love the most is that you can actually see the hydration on your skin after applying this product. So next up, I will be using my eye rollers. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love this. It helps prevent wrinkles, and it also helps with that eye puffiness. And y'all, this is just the best dollar investment I've ever made. And lastly, I will be using the Dermasil All Free Night Moisturizer. I always put a moisturizer over my serum to go ahead and lock in that remaining moisture. And lastly, I'll just be removing that lip scrub that I applied on my lips at the beginning of the video. I really love lip scrubs because it gets off all of that dead skin, and it just leaves your lips feeling plump and just looking healthy, okay? So I'm really loving my skin right now, and I'm really loving this at-home facial. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you do subscribe to my channel and let me know your favorite facial products.